In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up ClickUp. By the end, you'll feel confident navigating your workspace, creating what you need with the plus icon, organizing everything with spaces, folders, and lists, and assigning tasks so work actually gets done. Let's start by opening your dashboard. This is your control center where you can see the big picture of your work in one place. From your ClickUp home, click into your dashboard to bring up the overview of your workspace. If it's already set up, great, you'll see widgets and views that summarize tasks in progress. If it looks empty, that's perfectly fine. You're in the right place, and we'll build from here. Remember, you can always use the sidebar to return to your dashboard quickly as you work. Next, look for the plus icon, usually near the top or in the sidebar. This is where creation and customization begins. Click it to create new items such as spaces, folders, lists, tasks, and even dashboards. As you create, give things clear names and short descriptions so your team understands what belongs where. You can customize colors and icons to make sections easy to recognize at a glance. If templates are available, feel free to use them. They save time and help you stay consistent. Now, let's talk structure. In ClickUp, spaces sit at the top level. Folders live inside spaces, and lists live inside folders. Open the space that represents a department or major area of work. Inside that space, create folders to group related initiatives or projects. Within each folder, add lists to capture specific work streams or deliverables. For example, you might have a space for operations, a folder for quarterly planning, and lists for each quarter. Keep the hierarchy simple and intuitive. It should mirror how your team already talks about work. With that foundation in place, it's time to create and assign tasks. Look for the task icon or the quick add option inside a list. Click it to add a task title that's action-oriented, like Draft Onboarding Guide. In the task details, assign it to the right person, set a due date, and choose a priority so everyone knows what matters most. Add a short description with context, attach any files, and break large items into subtasks if needed. Update the status to reflect progress, and use comments to keep communication tied to the work. Keeping tasks clear and assigned ensures nothing slips through the cracks. That's the core setup. Open your dashboard, use the plus icon to create and customize, organize work with spaces, folders, and lists, and use the task icon to assign and track tasks. Keep names clear, keep the structure tidy, and you'll be set up for smooth execution.